Wow, something great is here. Something great has just been battered. First Streams Academy, a faith-based personal development institution whereby you'll be able to discover, develop, and deploy your entrepreneurial potential. In this school that is starting on Friday, 28th of March to Saturday, 29th of March 2025, we'll be treating you into our School of Entrepreneurship, the place where you discover the basic first streams of income available to you, the interplay of purpose and provision. It's going to be a great time. You don't want to miss it. My name is Tony Olukoyede. I'm inviting you specially. So go register now and visit our website, www.firststreamsacademy.org. Look forward to seeing you. God bless you.